channel. I am CSJAS. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your June 2022 exams. Now, if you don't already know, then I host free special live classes daily on Unacademy for company law and GIGL at 7 p.m. अगर आपको नहीं पता तो we have completed 2 chapters of GIGL and approx 1.5 chapter of company law as well. And today I'm here to announce 2 sessions today only. The 2 sessions today only. The first will be from 5 to 6 p.m. and the second will be from 7 to 8 p.m. In the both sessions, we will study the case laws from chapter number 2 of company law, that is the chapter of share capital. It is one of the most important chapters, काफी vast है और काफी questions पूछे जाते हैं from part A of company law from this particular chapter, that is chapter number 2. We are studying the chapter in detail, but today I will be hosting the classes only and only for case laws and case studies. Students काफी घबराते हैं case studies से, कैसे present करें, कैसे learn करें, कैसे उन्हें याद रखें. I have summarized all the case studies from this chapter, from the topics that I have taught till yesterday. कल तक जो भी topics हमने पढ़े हैं उन सबकी case studies आज के दोनों sessions में आपको मिल जाएंगी. अगर अभी तक भी आपने session join नहीं किया है then I would highly request you कि please join the session. Session बिल्कुल free of cost होता है. You can use my code CSJAS to join the session. And you will not regret joining the session. That is my promise to you. Once you join the session, you will join it daily. So make sure you join the session. दोनों ही classes के class links आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. Make sure you click on them and click on notify me ताकि क्लास शुरू होने से पहले आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. Other than that, Unacademy offers courses for our CA, CS, CMA students as well. CS students के लिए जो भी batches हैं उनके batch links भी आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. So you can take the subscription while using my code CSJAS. उससे आपको 10% discount मिलेगा, as well as you can also schedule one-on-one mentorship call with me if you use my code CSJAS to get the subscription. So looking forward to all of you joining my sessions at 5 p.m. as well as at 7 p.m. Use the code CSJAS to unlock the sessions. Bye.